Welcome, in front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch, make sure that your watch is paired with a phone via the FitMove or Hama FitMove application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Hama FitMove application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find this icon and tap on it to open the app. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon. And here you should see your Fit Watch 5000 on the device page. Now you can tap on it to open the device management page. And here we have the device reset to factory defaults option. Tap on it, tap on yes, and wait until the resetting process is complete. It should be happening right now on the watch. One thing to mention, though I forgot to mention it earlier, is that if you plan to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So be aware of that. I recommend to charge your watch before you attempt the factory reset. Okay, and once it's done, you should see this on the screen of your watch, and also the watch will disappear from the device page in the app, and you can close the app if you want to. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.